A lot of people are not underpaid. They are just leaking money like a bucket with holes, and they refuse to even look down. And the reason you feel broke is not always your paycheck. It's the 9 quiet habits that are draining you every month. Stuff you barely notice until your account is at zero and you're asking, where did they all go? Stay with me, because near the end of this video, I'm going to hit one that is so common, people defend it like it is a human right. And it is quietly destroying their finances. By the time you finish watching this video, you will know exactly what to cut, what to keep, and what to do next. Starting today, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the Next Level Life Hack, where we take the next steps needed to go towards our financial freedom and success. Now let's start with the one that eats people alive. A car is transportation. That's it. But a lot of folks, they drive around in a monthly bill that is stealing their freedom. Because it is not just the payment, it is depreciation, higher insurance, higher taxes or fees, and more expensive repairs once warranties end, and interest if you are financed. AAA tracks the real cost of owning and operating a new vehicle, and it is still a major yearly expense for the average driver. Here is the simple move. If you can't buy it without choking, it is too much car for you. Your goal is reliability, not making an impression on people who don't even really care about you. And if you think the car is the biggest leak, wait until we get to the one that is hiding in your phone, what you are watching this on. If your phone is not broken, why are you upgrading it? People upgrade their phone because, hey, the camera is a little better, the screen is a little bit brighter, or the company told you it is time. That is not needed, that is marketing. The rule is upgrade when it is broken or when it blocks your work, not when you're bored. Now this one is pure disrespect to your future. The Federal Reserve consumer data shows that credit card interest rates are extremely high in recent releases. The new rule is, if you use a card, pay it off. If you cannot pay it off, you cannot afford the purchase. And you know what is worse than interest? Buying things you don't even remember buying. And that is what is coming up next. Now, food deliveries, they're not evil, but when it becomes normal, it becomes expensive, because a $14 meal quickly turns into fees, tips, markups, and might as well add a drink. And that is how people lose money without feeling it. The tough love rule is, if you are able to go get it, then go get it. Delivery is for sick days, emergencies, and rare treats, not a weekly and much worse, a daily habit, because some persons start ordering in every day. Now this is the one nobody wants to admit. A lot of Amazon purchases, they aren't solving problems, they're solving boredom. You don't need more stuff, you need a stronger pause button. Try this. Put everything in the cart. Wait for 24 hours. If you still want it and it still fits your budget, well then fine. Most of the time you won't even remember it by tomorrow. And if you do have a chance to go back after the 24 hours, then re-evaluate, because by that time your impulsiveness and that sudden need to purchase urge, it has worn off. Then you can properly evaluate if you really need these items. 50% of the times, I guarantee you, you will cancel half at least of those items in the cart. Now this one is quiet robbery, because it is small and it is recurring. And here's the problem. Companies often make canceling annoying, and it is on purpose. The FTC has focused on click to cancel, and they are making rules around making cancellations much easier. The action here is to open your bank statement. Search for subscriptions or monthly or memberships. Cancel at least 3 of them today. Then do the most important part. Move that money that you were spending on those subscriptions into savings or into debt, because if you don't assign it, it disappears again. And here's one thing I'm going to ask you. If you are not realizing that subscriptions are going through each month, it means you have not possibly turned on notifications on your credit card transactions. Now that is really irresponsible of you. How can you be mature about your spending when there are transactions going through on your credit card without you being notified or aware of it. If that alert came in, it would have jogged your memory to say, what is this going through? Or, oh my goodness, I did not cancel that free trial period, because that is how you are tricked. You sign up for a 7-day free trial period and then you have to do an auto pay after the period. You forget to cancel after the trial period and then the auto payments start going through. Come on, let's be mature. Track those notifications. BNPL, that infamous buy now pay later. It makes spending feel painless. It's not $240. It's 4 easy payments of $60. And that is how you end up with multiple BNPL plans at once. Payments stacked upon payments. The rule is, if you cannot buy it without splitting it, pause. Now this one is sneaky. It's not one big purchase. It's, I'm tired. I'll just pay for convenience, or I'll just grab something real quick, or I will just pay the extra fee. Convenience is not free. You are paying with money and discipline. Pick one convenience category and cut it for 30 days at least. Now it may be delivery, random snacks or drinks, or paid shortcuts. Watch what happens and how you will start to reclaim your money back in your account. Now here's the grown-up truth. If you are spending money to look successful while you are stressed behind the scenes, you're not building a life. You're building a performance. And performances are very expensive. Your goal is peace, options, and breathing room. Not applause from people who are not paying your bills. And what I like to tell people is, stop comparing people's public life to your private life. Stop trying to keep up with the Joneses. The Joneses don't even care that you matter. At the end of the day, your peace of mind and your financial independence is much more important to you. Now here's what I want you to do today. Open up notes on your phone or get a sketch pad. Write my 9 cuts. Then pick 3 things to cancel, 1 thing to pause for 30 days, 1 debt move, 1 automatic transfer, even $25. And comment below, I'm cutting the leaks. And tell me which one you're starting with today. Because your money doesn't change when you feel motivated. It changes when you build rules and, most importantly, you follow them. Now, thank you as usual for the privilege of your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.